listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams come.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Our team is comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. Phil's Gang has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. You don't need to be a seasoned investor to benefit from the Phil's Gang platform, no matter what level of investor you are. Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action, avoid market pitfalls, and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Phil Grandy has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. That's right, philsgang.com. Join my gang for 10 days. It's free. If anything, during that 10-day period, you're going to learn how the market really works. You're going to find information that you never had before. You're going to walk away and go, I didn't know that. So join my gang for 10 days free, philsgang.com. And you're also going to learn how to make money when the market goes down. It's kind of silly just sitting there when the market going down, hoping. Why hope when you can sell short and make money? Either way, you make money when the market goes up, you make money when the market goes down. That's the benefit of Phil's Gang. You make money.
Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level.
philsgang.com. Sign up free for 10 days.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Our team is comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. Phil's Gang has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. You don't need to be a seasoned investor to benefit from the Phil's Gang platform, no matter what level of investor you are. Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action, avoid market pitfalls, and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1%? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. If you want to invest your money and grow your wealth, just listen to Phil Grandy.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. There's many reasons to listen to a radio show, but I think to listen to my show, you get the truth, you get clarity, and you get great information.
No matter what level of investor you are, Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success.
You know what? Most of all, it's fun. philsgang.com. clarity, good information, and fun.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
When the stock market is up one day and down the next, you need experienced advice from a pro.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. I know you're sitting there watching the stock market. You're going, what? Is this nuts? Market goes up 700 points. Next day it goes up 800 points. Then the market goes back down. Then it goes back up. What that is volatility.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently?
But you got to anticipate what's going to happen with the market. And that's what we give you. Information so you can anticipate in advance what the market's going to do, so you know what stocks to buy, you know what stocks to short. It's all about having good information and anticipation. You got to anticipate. The one thing you can't do is rely on your brokers. Listen.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
What are you, nuts? Partners and shareholders? You're not included.
Check out the free 10-day trial and follow Phil to investing success. Learn more at philsgang.com. philsgang.com. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Buy the dip is back. That's the market call. Any pullback could present a big upside opportunity.
Wrong, 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 wrong.
Interactive brokers posting their quarterly results, coming in with an 11% year-over-year decrease in trading volume. That figure is down 9% since last quarter as market volatility continues.
That's right. You know, it's amazing. When will investors listen? We are in a severe downtrend channel like we've never seen. I've been in this business for 55 years. I never seen a downtrend channel like this. And when will you learn that you can't make money buying on the dip, cost averaging down, or I love, hold on, just stay the course, or come in and we'll readjust your portfolio. What are you, nuts? That's called upselling. When you have a down market, there's no place to hide. I'm sorry. There's just no place to hide. And they want you to come in, upsell you to make up the revenue they're losing because they don't let you short when they should be letting you short the market. Instead, they put you in these stupid stocks they call defensive stocks, but they're not defensive at all. Walmart, down 17%. Procter & Gamble, buy Procter & Gamble, you'll be safe. Get in Procter & Gamble. Everybody buys Procter & Gamble stuff. Really? Down 21%. You should have been shorting Procter & Gamble. You would have been up 21%. Why do you think people in 401ks, your portfolios are getting slammed? You're down 20%. All they had to do is turn around and let you short the market. But see, there's no incentive to let you short the market because they don't make money shorting the market. They don't get commissions from you shorting the market. Coca-Cola, go buy Coca-Cola. Warren Buffett owns it. It's got to be good. That's got to be safe. What are you, nuts? Down 15%. Costco, buy Costco. That's the one. You can hide in Costco. That's real safe. Down 23%. And the worst one is Target. Buy Target. Everybody goes to Target. When things are bad, they go to Target. They buy stuff cheap. Buy Target. Defensive. Down 42%. I could go on and on and on. But let's get back to what's reality. When you're in a downtrend channel, it is so hard to get out of it because the big guys, the big institutions that make the market go up and down are pulling their money out, but more so, they're shorting it, and you're going against them, buying on the dip. What are you, nuts? You've been getting slaughtered buying on the dip. Yet they keep telling you, I just played it for you. That's fresh today. Buy on the dip. All right, think about it. 2018, the market in 11 weeks dropped 20%. And again, that's when I said on January 16, 2018, this would be when the crash is going to start. And the last 11 weeks of 2018, the market did crash, dropped 20%. But then it rallied only after 11 weeks, 44%. Just 11 weeks. Think about that. It went down 20%, and after 11 weeks, took off big time and kept going. Now let's take the 2020, the pandemic crash, which had nothing to do with the pandemic. That market dropped 32% in 4.5 weeks. 32%. And after 4.5 weeks, boom, took off, rallied 123%. After going down just 4.5 weeks, it went up 123%. Take the latest crash, January 2022. We're in our 42nd week. We dropped 25%. Still no rally. Think about that. How is it that in 2018, after a 20% drop, after just 11 weeks, we rallied 44%. We got out of that downtrend channel. 2020, after 4.5 weeks, we got out of that downtrend channel, rallied 32%. I'm not talking 11 weeks, 4.5 weeks. We're in our 42nd week, and we're still dropping. Still no rally. Why? Because they took the punch bowl away. They had to. The last rally in 2020, the so-called pandemic rally, when the market crashed at 31%, they went nuts. And they printed more money than they ever did, and they made sure they pushed that market up. But remember, as I told you the other day, we are now paying for this. The cost. It costs us, you and me, $8 trillion to push that market up 44%. The 123% in 2020 cost us $40 trillion. 2008 to 2022, that whole 600% fake rally cost you and I $126 trillion. But see, they had to stop it because they destroyed our country. They created all this inflation. Who benefited? The very wealthy. The wealthy benefited, and Congress benefited. The wealthy made a fortune because inflation pushes up their assets, the value of their assets, artwork, real estate, like vineyards and timberland, and they make a fortune. Make a fortune with inflation. So they took the punch bowl away, And that's why when you keep hearing buy on a dip, you are nuts. They're slaughtering you. Buy on the dip if the punch bowl was around. If the punch bowl was around like in 2018, where after a few weeks, the market went up 44%. Are you kidding me? After just 11 weeks, it goes up 44%. Sure, buy on the dip. In 2020, when the market rallied 32% after 4.5 weeks. Sure, buy on the dip. But you're buying on the dip in a market that's down 42 weeks and there's no punch bowl and we're not rallying out of this and we're not going to. But I can't convince people that, except my members. And you got all these people getting slammed and they're going to continue to get this is it, the bottom's in. There's no bottom in and you're not going to have a bottom in. Not until you stop the spending. Stop subsidizing everybody. Here we are subsidizing Intel, $52 billion for semiconductors. What the hell are we giving the chip industry $52 billion for? When Intel alone makes $79 billion? We're sending $55 billion to the some of that money's going to the railroad. Are you kidding? The railroads are making so much money they don't know what to do with it. BNSF, $25 billion. Union Pacific profits $22 billion. CSX $12 billion. And we're subsidizing them? They should be subsidizing us. The United States is broke. Net worth is negative $20 trillion. Why aren't they subsidizing us? We're turning around and we're subsidizing these rich cats? Who's running this operation? An idiot by the name of Joe Biden. That's who's running it. He's an idiot. Are you kidding me? Obama did the same thing. The only reason why Obama got Obamacare through, the Affordable Care Act through, I'll tell you when I get back how he got that through. It wasn't on Genius, I'll tell you that.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Phil Grandy has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. That's right, philsgang.com. Join my gang for 10 days. It's free. If anything, during that 10-day period, you're going to learn how the market really works. You're going to find information that you never had before. You're going to walk away and go, I didn't know that. So join my gang for 10 days free, philsgang.com. And you're also going to learn how to make money when the market goes down. It's kind of silly just sitting there when the market going down, hoping. Why hope when you can sell short and make money? Either way, you make money when the market goes up, you make money when the market goes down. That's the benefit of Phil's Gang. You make money.
Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level.
philsgang.com. Sign up free for 10 days. What are you, nuts? Coffee's up 92%. Lumber's up 67%. Heating oil, 60%? Gasoline, 55%? I understand why you guys are telling me to raise my rates here at Phil's Gang. But we haven't raised our rates since 2001. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I'm not going to raise my rates. Our membership's been $39.95 since 2001, and for a good reason. So that you have enough room that when you do make money here at Phil's Gang, and you will, because you're going to learn how to short stocks, that there's enough room to send some money to St. Jude. That's why we never raised our price. And that's why we give you good value. So, you want to continue with good value, good information, be on the right side of the market? Join my gang, philsgang.com, where the price has not moved, where we fight inflation. philsgang.com.
If you want to invest your money and grow your wealth, just listen to Phil Grandy.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. There's many reasons to listen to a radio show, but I think to listen to my show, you get the truth. You get clarity, and you get great information.
No matter what level of investor you are, Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success.
You know what? Most of all, it's fun. philsgang.com. Clarity, good information, and fun. What, are you nuts? Coffee's up 92%. Lumber's up 67%. Heating oil, what, 60%? Gasoline, 55%. I understand why you guys are telling me to raise my rates here at Phil's Gang, but we haven't raised our rates since 2001. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I'm not going to raise my rates. Our membership's been $39.95 since 2001, and for a good reason. So that you have enough room that when you do make money here at Phil's Gang, and you will, because you're going to learn how to short stocks, that there's enough room to send some money to St. Jude. That's why we never raised our price. And that's why we give you good value. So, you want to continue with good value, good information, be on the right side of the market? Join my gang, philsgang.com, where the price has not moved, where we fight inflation. philsgang.com.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
Welcome back to Phil's Gang. It is ridiculous that anyone lost 20% in their 401k. That should have never happened. They should allow you to sell short. They should allow you to sell short. I mean, they're destroying this country. I mean, it's unbelievable what's going on, destroying this market. So you got to learn how to sell short. One of the reasons why this trend we're in now, this downtrend channel, after 42 weeks, we still have not been able to break out of it against 4.5 weeks in our 2020 downtrend channel, against 11 weeks in our 2018 downtrend channel. Do you understand? 42 weeks against 11 weeks? 42 weeks against 4.5 weeks? Remember, and when they rallied after 11 weeks, they rallied 44%. They rallied 123% after 4.5 weeks, where the market went down 32%. So what's going on? Because we can't keep taking these rallies, as we have since 2008, and keep paying for them. That's what we do. We pay for them. It doesn't come free. That's inflationary. But we got to stop with all the subsidies. My God, we're getting killed. When he passed that CHIP Act, I'm saying, my God, Intel's going to get money when they're making $79 billion a year in profits? Just like Obama. Very few people know that the Affordable Care Act, the only way that act went through is he had to pay off the pharma companies. That's why I have to laugh when they say, oh, the pharmaceutical companies in our investment, in our Inflation Reduction Act, boy, we're gonna, you're gonna see all the drugs prices go down. 100 most used drugs, they're gonna go down really big time. We're gonna save you a lot of money, and inflation's gonna go down. What? Are you kidding? Do you think the farmers are gonna drop their prices? When Obama couldn't even work with them, Obama had to pay them off to get the Affordable Care Act through. He subsidized all the people. He told them, look, I'll make a deal with you. How about if I increase your profits even more? I know we got to build you another bank. There's no other banks that keep taking all your profit. We'll build you a couple banks to put your profits in. Well, we'll increase your profits even more under Obamacare. Because what we're going to do is we'll print all this money and we'll subsidize all these new customers, and you're going to get them all. So we'll print the money and subsidize the customers. What they're doing is paying off the pharma companies. And that's why the market is not getting out of a downtrend that's been lasting 42 weeks. On top of all the trillions, of money that we put in to move the market up, then we got all these programs, and then we have the crazy program for the Inflation Reduction Act. $700 billion was more than half of it went to that green crap. So people keep asking, well, why can't we get out of this downtrend? I'm just telling you. So the pharmaceutical industry, and now what's going on is since Obama started all that, all these big companies now, they demand the government these subsidies in return for creating jobs. Oh, you want me to create jobs? Give me a subsidy. Want me to create jobs? Give me. So they print more money. And you want to know why I keep telling you, don't buy in a dip, don't cost average down? Boy, that gets me. Buying a dip, cost average down. What a bunch of crap that is. Or hey, come on in and we'll readjust your portfolio. We'll readjust your portfolio. We'll give you more bonds. What are you, nuts? It's called upselling. Unbelievable. All it is fee generation to make up for the firm that's managing your portfolio for the revenue they're losing. Because people, remember I told you, and I pointed out this to my members every day, look at the volume in the stock market right now that's dropped from January to where we are today. Compare the volume in the market that dropped from 2020, and had that big rally. We have about a quarter or less, a little more. We don't have enough buyers. And why don't we have enough buyers? Because first of all, inflation is killing people. Inflation's killing people. They don't have the money. Look at retail. And people are buying on the dip. Don't you understand? You're going to buy on the dip? Do you understand retail is getting killed? Do you know that durable goods, that's the bellwether to our economy? How's our economy doing? Go look at the bellwether. Go look at durable goods. The big TV screens and the big screen TVs and the washing machines and appliances and anything that's big like that, vans and all that garbage. People can't afford it. So it's the same thing why there's not a lot of buyers in the market. It affects people, these retail customers. They don't have the money. They don't have the money to go in and invest in stocks. The retail customer's getting killed. And by the way, all these guys that jumped in buying a dip, all on margin, now those margin calls are all coming due. So we just stop listening to these guys on TV. They've never cared about you to begin with. It's always about them and their advertisers. And understand this, that all of this nonsense, buy and hold, that drives me nuts. I've been doing this for years. And it goes against everything that I've learned. The buy and hold. Are you nuts? Investing is all about risk management. Buy and hold, diversify your portfolio is the worst idea. It goes against risk management. Diversify will put you in the poorhouse. I mean, buy and hold, are you kidding me? It goes against everything. as an investor that you learn. It's all risk management, risk management, risk management. You're not managing your risk when you buy and hold. Because the people that manage your money tell you to buy and hold, I'll tell you when I get back what happens. Please join my gang free for 10 days. Try it.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. When the stock market is volatile, how do you invest intelligently?
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. There's no need for you to be panicking in a market that goes up 800 points one day, 700 points, then it goes down again. All you need is good advice, need good direction. You don't get that from your CNBC and the Fox business and all these crazy shows. You don't. Here's what you get from them. Thank you, Jim Cramer. But this is something that this really bugs me. Listen to this.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
What? Their responsibility is to their partners and shareholders and not to you? Check my site out, philsgang.com.
When the stock market is up one day and down the next, you need the experience of Phil Grandy at philsgang.com.
What a difference it makes in your financial life. philsgang.com. It works.
When the stock market is up one day and down the next, you need experienced advice from a pro.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I know you're sitting there watching the stock market. You're going, what? Is this nuts? Market goes up 700 points. Next day goes up 800 points. Then the market goes back down. Then it goes back up. What that is volatility.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently?
But you got to anticipate what's going to happen with the market. And that's what we give you. Information so you can anticipate in advance what the market's going to do, so you know what stocks to buy, you know what stocks to short. It's all about having good information and anticipation. You got to anticipate. The one thing you can't do is rely on your brokers. Listen.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
What are you, nuts? Partners or shareholders? You're not included.
Check out the free 10-day trial and follow Phil to investing success. Learn more at philsgang.com. philsgang.com.
You're not alone. 80% of those in the stock market, just like you, lose money. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Why do they lose? Because they don't know how to short stocks in a down market. That will change once you use my patent Pro 2 color-coded chart. It works. The technology works. And it not only gives you an edge on the upside, but Pro 2 will put a smile on your face on the downside. That's right. Check it out. Free 10-day trial at philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. You know, I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, boydinvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1 900-020.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Our team is comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to to help maximize profits. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. Phil's Gang has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. You don't need to be a seasoned investor to benefit from the Phil's Gang platform, no matter what level of investor you are. Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action, avoid market pitfalls, and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Now, the bond market, and we watch the bond market like a hawk. And the bond market's getting crushed. It's going down again. We follow TLT. TLT, if you want to pull it up. We follow the 20-year Treasury. And as the bond market gets crushed and keeps going down, that means yields go up. You know where the yields are right now? They just went up to 413 basis points. You know what that, and that's why I had a laugh yesterday. When we had this rally yesterday and tech stocks were going up, I go, oh my God, people are going to get killed. The tech stocks were rallying in a high yield atmosphere? Are you kidding me? All that is short covering. And people who bought yesterday on the dip, you're going to get killed because those tech stocks cannot stand 4.12%, 412 basis points. The yield just can't afford it. You can't be having a yield of 4 and 12 basis points to buy tech stocks. They're going up for the wrong reason, but nobody's going to tell you that. You know, all this buy and hold, all these money managers, it's their favorite tool. You want to know why? Because first of all, it requires very little skill. They tell you buy and hold because they don't need that much skill to manage your money. They need little intelligence, little skill, hardly any effort, and that's why they love it. And they completely ignore the essential investment concept of risk management. Buy and hold is like this great allure. Buy and hold, buy and hold. Buy and hold is as old as my shoes. And my shoes aren't that old. As old as the eternity. Get rich with little or no effort. Just keep making your monthly deposits. You're going to get rich. And when the market tanks, don't even look at it. Don't worry about it. Just buy. You're going to be just fine. You're going to be fine. You're going to be rich eventually. Buy and hold gives your broker, your money manager time to make you, they make you feel better with it. And it gives them time to come up with another lousy idea what to do with your money. Now, I'm not saying that all money managers, all brokers are bad. There's some good quality ones. Example, the Auto Group at Hightower Advisors, first class operation. First class. So they're not all bad, but 99.99999% are. You get the exceptions. But boy, they're going to crush you. They're going to crush you, these managers, I'm telling you. Diversify your portfolio. Okay, let me move on. So, if you think, okay, I'm going to get out of the market and I'm going to get back in. That's stupid. Do you know how extremely good you need to be to time the market? I'll get out. When it goes start back up, I'll get in. You miss it. You'll miss it. And if you say that, I'm going to get out of the market and I'll go get back in when it goes up, like you're going to time it, well, the jury's already in on that. You're in the mess you're in because you can't time the market. What are you, nuts? I get so sick when I hear people with 401ks lost 20% when you have an alternative. You've got an alternative. Steve and I designed a chart. For God's sakes, it took us 5 years to design a chart. It's color-coded so you can't go wrong, so you know exactly when not to be in the stock market. Instead, short it. Short it. It's color-coded, for God's sakes. That's why we give people 10 days free. Free, 10 days. So you can check it out. Look, anytime that you want to know what is the market going to do, everybody's big question, what's the market going to do? What's it going to do? Go to my YouTube channel. And I tell you, go to it. It tells you it's free. It doesn't cost you a penny. And then if you want to know what stocks we're in, what stock groups we're in, then just put that knowledge that you just learned what the market's going to do to work. Join my gang. Try it free for 10 days. For God's sakes, it's free for 10 days. After that, you pay $39.95 a month. Are you nuts? So here we go again. We got the owl speaking. Yeah, the owl from the White House. You know her, don't you? The owl. Boy, she drives me crazy. One thing she and the president have in common, the minute they open their mouth, you see it move, they're lying. Listen to this. Listen to this. Here's the owl.
We can be barreling towards a recession, and the economy is, as the president says, strong as hell.
So here's the thing about the economy, and I've said this many times. You've heard this from Secretary Yellen. You've heard this from Brian Deese, who runs our Economic Council, is that what we are seeing right now is the job market is strong. The labor force is strong. And that is not what we see usually before a recession.
Lie, 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 lie. Lie, 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 lie.
The job market is not strong. For God's sakes, that's another bold-faced lie. The job market is weak. All these jobs are crappy jobs. Most are all part-time. They're all service jobs. They pay very little. They have no benefits. That's a bold-faced lie again. It's a lie. Don't believe me? Go to the Brookings Institute. They talk all about it. The jobs created under Biden and Harris administration are no different than the jobs created under the Obama-Biden administration. 78.2% are lousy jobs, low-paying service jobs. 105 million workers, okay, are in non-supervisory jobs. Think about that. 105 million of our work. What's our workforce right now? 142 million, something like that. Check it out for me. 132 million, I think. 105 million of our workforce they don't have a supervisory job. Now, again, all these jobs that Obama created and all these jobs that Biden created, 165 million people, 105 million of those 165, non-supervisory jobs. The average hourly wage for these people are $15 an hour. What are you, nuts? And these jobs they have sluggish hourly growth. Their hours are always being cut back. And most are part-time. And all these jobs, you can find them. They're all in the same places. Restaurants, leisure. The restaurant and leisure business, low-paying. Healthcare providers, they really get screwed. Wonderful people, they get screwed. So look, we got a situation now, too, that housing. I told you, housing was going to get crushed. You remember when during the pandemic, they said, look at the housing market. Oh, my God, houses have gone up 20, 30% within 3 months. And everybody was going nuts moving out to the city so they wouldn't get killed going out getting their mail. What are you, nuts? Now these people end up paying 20, 30% too much for their house. And don't forget, in 2018, you had Wells Fargo and these other crooks. What are they doing? Going right back to subprime lending. Now these people are all in trouble. So that's why when I hear Just cost average down. Cost average down. You'll be okay. Buy on the dip. No, you won't. You're not going to be okay. The only way you're going to be okay in this kind of environment where this market, we're now, 42 weeks? We haven't turned around yet compared to 4 weeks and 11 weeks? Think about that. How do you fix that? What do you do?
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know, I've been doing this business of trading over 55 years. God, they make it so complicated. It doesn't have to be. The best way to learn is to follow me, my actual investments. That's right. When I buy a stock, you follow me. Do exactly what I do. That's the best way to learn.
Check out the free 10-day trial. Learn more at philsgang.com.
Be my co-pilot at philsgang.com. Do what I do.
That's philsgang.com.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you start making money, please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Hey, good afternoon, gang. This is Steve Celeste here, the Director of Education for philsgang.com. Just giving you an easy step-by-step process on how to join the gang for 10 days for free with our Working Investor program. So it's as simple as going to www.philsgang.com. At the top of the site, you're going to click on Get Started. Once you're on the next page, simply click on the red banner where it says 10-day free trial, and that's all you got to do. All right, thanks for listening to the show, and I'll see you on the charts.
If you are a long-term investor, just stay the course. This is not as bad as the great financial crisis. This is not as bad as the worst of the pandemic. So emotions went too far. We're going to waffle around, but I think we're in a bottoming process. If you want to get in now, you can.
Stay invested. Don't sell, right? I mean, because then you're going to miss like what we've seen the last couple of days, which is a 7% rally for tech.
Unbelievable. You talk about craziness. Oh, look at the rally, 7% for tech, yeah. Well, why don't you tell them the other thing? Tell them that bonds are getting crushed. Tell them because of that, our yields on treasuries, our interest rates are going up. We're now, the yields at 4.127. That's insane. That means the interest rate that the banks charge other banks, and then those banks turn around and charge you, are going from 2% to 7%. And then when you go get a loan, you're screwed. Oh, but buy the dip. Everything's good. Everything's good. Buy the dip. Look, risk management is everything. It is. And that's what we do at Phil's Gang every day. My members will tell you. First thing I look at every day, what's the bond market doing? What's the bond market doing? That tells you what the market's going to do. And you can't have a stock market going up. And there's a reason that the market hasn't gone up after 42 weeks. Yeah, with the two other corrections, how could that be? You got two other corrections. You got the one that went up in 4 weeks. You got the other one that went up after 11 weeks. And we're at 42 weeks, and we're going down, not up. We're still going down. And they're doing everything. They're fighting it. They got the plunger team in there every day buying futures, trying to push it back up. Every morning you see we open up positive, then we go down. They're throwing everything at that market. Going into the midterm election. We have a dollar shortage, for God's sakes. Think about the dollar shortage. That's killing us. Because why? Because it's killing earnings. Because when you have a dollar shortage and dollars get more expensive, and then the companies, our corporation in the United States, 40%, 50% of their business is selling stuff overseas, and they can't sell stuff overseas because the dollar's too high. Now think about the dollar. One of the main reasons, we got all these underdeveloped companies, underdeveloped nations. They borrow in dollars, and they're heavy in debt in dollars. I mean, dollars, man, they keep borrowing and borrowing and borrowing. Then you got investors all around Europe dumping their dollars, their euros, to buy dollars for safety. And when the dollar rises, it kills earnings. Just like then you got the dollar rising to kill earnings, and then you got yields rising to kill earnings. And everybody says, "Well, look at the market, man, earnings. We got good earnings." No, you don't. The only reason the stock market went up on the first round we had last week was 7 banks. And it's always been set up this way. They start out with that 7 banks right away because they know those 7 banks, they got to get their earnings in quickly so they go back out and do stock buybacks again. Because 10 days before they do their earnings report, they can't buy their own shares back to keep their stock going up. So they reported all the same day, 7 banks, boom, 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 boom. And then that was done on Friday. Then we come in Monday, more banks report. Wow, look at this. Look at the earnings. Whoa, look at the market going up. All the banks reporting. Boy, the banks are going good. And the only way they're doing good is they're taking money from their set aside for bad loans and they're shoving it into their bottom line, which only banks can do. Then they take and set up, let's do the tech stocks next because we don't need profits. And they don't. How many people were buying Amazon and all these companies weren't making any money? Because tech stocks are growth stocks. All people want is for the stocks to go up in price. And so everybody's jumping in there trying to buy stocks. Price keeps going and they jump. They don't care if the company's losing money. You don't need to. It's a growth company. Value companies like banks, you need profits. So they cheat to get the profits and they set up the tech stocks right after. And all they need to do is beat the street by a penny. Beat the street by a penny. Guy got up the other day. 72% of the stocks beat their estimates. Well, why don't you tell them it's their own estimates they're beating, you moron? I can't believe that. Wow, look at that. Hey, Jerry, did you see that? Yeah, what happened, Joe Suckface? 72% of the companies are beating their earnings. Really? Wow, that's fantastic. You think we should buy here? Oh, yeah, the bottom's in. You're not going to have the bottom in. How are you going to get the bottom in? When we have the lowest growth rate, earnings growth since the third quarter of 2020. Forward earnings going for the fourth quarter suck. Are you kidding me? The earnings going forward are worse. The builder sentiment has dropped. No wonder. They're going to be all those builders, all that wood they have. They're soon going to be chopping the wood up for firewood, so they can stay warm. Stocks. I've never seen stocks so overvalued in my life. Overvalued? Are you kidding me? PE ratios, 20? Give me a break. These stocks are so overpriced. You can't put a bottom in when we're not fixing what was broken. And they're not going to fix what was broken because, again, all they do is lie. You heard all this. You heard that, how everything's great now, right? Play those again for me, Willie. Everything's great. Bottom's in. Everything's wonderful.
If you are a long-term investor, just stay the course.
Stay the course. Yeah, sure.
This is not as bad as the great financial crisis. This is not as bad as the worst of the pandemic. So emotions went too far. We're going to waffle around, but I think we're in a bottoming process. If you want to get in now, you can.
If you want to get in now, you can. It's up to you. Go ahead, get in. Look, I'm telling you, if you want to know what the market's doing, really doing, go to my YouTube channel. It's free for everybody. All I ask, if you use my YouTube channel, get my information, and you make money from it, because now you know what the market's going to do and you can prepare yourself, just help out St. Jude, please. And then take that information you get, that valuable information, put it to work by joining my gang. And then you understand then you'll know which stocks to be in, which group to be in. Should you be in value stocks? Should you be in growth stocks? Should you be in tech stocks? We'll always have you in the right group. But here's the most important thing. You're going to, for the first time when the market keeps going down, you're going to be making money on the way down. You're going to embrace it. You're going to love the market to go down. We love it when the market goes down because the market goes down 4 times faster than it goes up because everybody pulls their bids out. Shorting is so easy, and we made it easy. Shorting made easy because we worked for years on the Pro 2 color-coded chart tells you when to sell. Every candlestick turns red. Or if you're buying a stock, every candlestick turns green, but it will warn you. If the market's going to go down, your stock's going to go down, it'll turn yellow. If you're shorting a stock, it's on the way down, you shorted at 50, now it's down to, let's say, 20. It will give you a yellow warning if money's going to start coming back in so you know. And that's why we say we offer it free for 10 days so you can check it out. And you have access to our classes and everything else. Durable goods. They never talk about durable goods. That's the bellwether of our economy. And durable goods orders are getting slaughtered. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So the other thing you should learn is that not only can you sit there and sell stock shorts and make money while the market's going down. When the market starts to rally, we're going to know first. We'll know when the bottom's in before anybody else. I'm telling you, Check it out. And then we're going to buy these stocks that are beaten down and are on sale. On sale. See you on the chart. Join my gang. Remember St. Jude, please.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me.